Good afternoon. Sorry. Good afternoon, class. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, and our Department of Information Technology. On today's session, in the practical session, we start the practical number 8 on course that is subject data structure using C. Here, marks allocation for your theory and practical part. Here, vision mission of department. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission in the three statements are there to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. This is the second. Next, third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Course outcome. Course outcome, after the completion of practical number 8, you achieve the third CO, implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. Here practical course outcome matrix. In that, on today's practical session, we conduct the which practical number 8, that will be CO third. This is the content page. Total 12 practicals are there. So that practical number 8, perform insert and delete operations on linear queue using array. Algorithm flowcharts, you write down, you refer the previous practicals. So practical number 8, the practical significances, these are the PO, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools and communication. These POs are able to this practical. Which are the program outcome? Practical outcome, write the C program to perform insert and delete operations on a linear queue using array. This is a minimum theoretical background, means this is the concept of what is meant by queue. Okay. Queue is the structure in which structure first in first out. Okay. In the two pointers are there, front and rear. Using to front, you insert the elements. Using to front pointer, you delete the numbers. Using through rear pointers, you will insert the numbers. You have already downloaded the lab menu. Okay, in that algorithm flowchart, write down program and complete this table, result, conclusion, etc. Okay, that program, these theory parts and also this program is also explained in a lecture 33rd lecture on this course. On that lecture, we learn the theory parts and also this program also. Okay. But in this program is in your practical session, so again I am explaining and also I am to demonstrate in a Turbo C++ software. Okay. These are the header files, std conio. These are the define the maximum size of that array is 5. These are the global variable declaration. These are the function declaration, function call, function definition. Okay. These are the void main, variable declaration. After that, in that menu will be displayed. After that, switch case are in that choice, which choice you want, that will be insert, that will be scanned, inputted through ch variable. Here while loop is taken because your this options or this menu will be displaying a looping statement, so taken the while switch case. In that function call will be used in queue, dequeue, display. These are the function call. Okay, your default case. After that, your guess your program is void main is exit. After that, these are the function definition. Okay, in that first of all we check that when you inserting the any new element, that time to check the queue is full or not. Also said as the queue is full Q is overflow. If this condition is not true, then in the inner part through the element will be inserted. Okay. First of all, check the -1. Okay, it is -1, then front is initialized to 0. It is not a -1 means automatically rear is +1, and there will that element will be inserted through scanf function. After wide DQ definition, in that we check first of all Q is empty or underflow, using to which condition front is equal to -1. After that, if this condition is not true, then obviously this is the elements are there on that Q, then that locations one by one location will be deleted and your front will be incremented. Okay, again we check the condition that front is greater than rear, means in that your front, when we front is cross to that rear position, that means that Q is on that Q's all elements will be deleted. Then again we set the front and rear is equal to -1. Okay, this statement to set as that this Q is empty, so that we set that. Again white display in that function. First of all, when elements will be displayed on that Q, then first check the Q is empty or not. And is condition is not true, then automatically that elements are there on that Q, that will be displayed. The table will be completed. After that, practice related questions. 3 questions are there in your manual that are completed. Extra 4 questions are there, that theory part questions that completed, and also exercise questions. In that, only for show that diagrammatically questions answers. Simple questions are there that are solved. The exercise question 3 questions are there that also you solve it using diagrammatically that operations are performed. These questions are important because these types of questions are asked in your board question, so carefully solve it. After that, we show the how to solve it through Turbo C++ software. Okay, again we explain that point. Header files. After that, global variable declaration means what? These variables are used in all functions. Function declaration, void main, void function. This is a switch case. Okay, this is the switch case. Again, these are the function definition: enqueue, dequeue, and display. Okay. Run it. How will we run? First of all, compile it. Shortcut key is Alt F9. That run it. How to run that? Alt F9 is a shortcut. First of all, we give the value 1. This is your output. Draw it in output point. For example, we insert the element 10, 15, 20. That's like you display it. You delete the number. Then you display it again. Okay, this like wrong choice. Okay, for exit. Clear that? This is the program. Run through your Turbo C++ software. Okay, program same is the program in your PPT. Result, write down, and conclusion. What is the conclusion? By this practicum, I am able to done insert and delete operations on linear queue using array. Okay. Again, summary. By this practical session, to complete practical number 8. Okay, which practical? That done the insert and delete operations on linear queue using array. This theory parts is completed in a lecture number 33 also. Okay, and in this practicals, I am again in this practical session, so again I am explaining this code, and also I am demonstrate the how to run on that program in a Turbo C. So through Turbo C3. Using Turbo C++ software through. Homework are given. In that, complete your practical number 8, prepare your practical number 8 in a notebook. Here stop on today's practical session. In this points any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.